Endless is the computer for your future, your children's future, your grandchildren's future. Designed to be simple enough for anyone to use, Endless works easily from the moment you turn it on. Perfect for the first-time user or someone who already uses computers. We have worked closely with our end users for the last 3 years to develop our own operating system, one that is great no matter what corner of the world you live in. Endless comes preloaded with solutions to empower you to live your life. All of your favorite apps are on your desktop. It includes a full ecosystem of applications, including a word processor, software for presentations, and spreadsheets that can even open Word, PowerPoint, and Excel files. With one click, you can access your browser. Endless was built to work with or without internet, so regardless of your ability to connect, it's just as valuable when used offline. Our apps can be used to write school reports, edit your resume, and do pretty much anything you'll need for school, work, or home. Endless also comes with a built-in app center. Inside, you can find over 100 applications that can be installed with a click of a button. And the best part is, they are all free. There's a full encyclopedia, educational videos and lectures, apps for health and wellness, parenting, and so much more. Endless is designed to be more than just a computer. It is opportunity. It is a beginning. It is a chance to choose your mission.